Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Sorry if you hear my shoes, then you hear my shoes. Sorry, they're really squeaky like SpongeBob.
That squeaking is gonna drive us all crazy.
So as you guys can see by the title, yes, I did move and I just got the keys. So I just got the keys to my new house. Not apartment, house. There's nothing wrong with apartments. I love apartment spaces. But I did a little upgrade, okay? Yes, so I'm here at my new house and I'm super excited to just be in a new space. Even with the circumstances that made this possible, despite all of that, I'm just happy to be in my own space. Yeah, so I want to take you guys and show you guys around, just like a brief little, it's not going to be like an in-depth, it's not very much to show anyways, but I just wanted to do a tour while the space was empty before I start moving things in. So let's go. So when you first come in, this is the living room area, and this is the front door, and then this one side, this one side of, so yeah, this is all like living room space. It's actually a nice size. It doesn't seem very big, but it is. So don't mind that door. That's just something that the people are supposed to come get probably Monday. So yeah, windows, and then come to our first closet. So here's the closet that's in the living room area. It's a nice size storage closet. So then you come into the first bathroom. I gotta put something on that. Is this light? Oh, okay. So yes, this is the half bathroom that's in the downstairs. And there's like a lot of lights in here. So there's that light, here's this light, and then there's this light, so it's a lot of light. And then here's a window, whatever. So yeah, just normal bathroom stuff. Okay, so that's the bathroom, and then when you come out, this is the basement, but that's the basement, but we're not gonna show. There's bugs in here.
Oh, hell no!
We're not gonna show the basement. There's a bug in there, and I'm terrified. So here's the fridge. Very basic fridge with water and ice. And then as you come into the kitchen, here's the kitchen area. Pretty standard and straightforward. And then that's the side of the house. And this is the backyard. It has to get cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, it's a cute little yard. It's all the way back. Microwave, there's like a bunch of cabinet space and stuff like that. So there's like a bunch of cabinet space and stuff. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. So as soon as you come upstairs, so this is going to be Cairo's bedroom. It's a cute here's the second bathroom. It's a full bathroom. Yeah. It's a full bathroom, so pretty cool. And there's some space back here. And yeah, so here's a open concept storage area. I may or may not get like a tension rod and like a curtain to cover this up, because this will essentially be the linen closet. Washer dryer. I might have to get something for this too, because I can see Cairo trying to lift that up and stuff. And last but not least, here is my bedroom. Nice size closet. It has the rod at the top. So guys, that is pretty much it for the house tour. I showed you the entire house while it's empty. There's a truck going by. Great. That is everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Guys, I was just kidding. I'm not gonna end the vlog there because it's way too short. So I just added some clips of my current organization in the kitchen, just to, you know, give the video a little bit more length. So it's gonna be the house tour plus, well, the empty house tour plus extra footage of me starting to organize things around the house. And yeah, so it's coming along, okay? It's coming along. I got my greenery going, some real, some fake, but it's giving. I need curtains. I'm not crazy about this rug, but it'll do for now. So yeah, I'll show you guys the closet real fast. It's just pretty much coats and junk for now, and then I had to get a baby gate because the stairs are very much gonna get my baby in trouble. So yeah, that's pretty much some of the organization that I've got done so far. Definitely nowhere near done, but I feel accomplished for what I have gotten done so far. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I think I said it already, but you guys know the drill. And I'm going to try my best to upload once a week. I'm thinking about uploading on Thursdays. I'm not sure, but until I figure that out, I'll leave you guys with this house tour and vlog, and I will talk to you guys later.